Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process on how to prepare fufu, aka akpu. So if this is a video you're interested in watching, please keep watching this video. So right here, the fufu is still in the bag after fermentation and sieving. I'm going to share a different video on how to ferment and sieve your fufu before getting it ready for the last process, okay? So guys, I will go ahead to add the fufu into a stainless bowl. Then I will add in a little bit of water to dissolve the fufu, and I will go ahead to use my hand to bind it together just the way you are seeing it on your screen. Meanwhile, our water is already on the fire boiling. Make sure you're going to be using hot boiling water for cooking this fufu. If your water is not boiled or hot enough, it is not going to come out very well, okay? You can see the hot water on the fire boiling. Then I will go ahead to mold it with my hand just the way you are seeing on your screen. Mold it in a circular form and add into the hot boiling water. So guys, when you're done molding in the fufu into the pot, you will cover the pot and allow it to boil for like 5 to 6 minutes. Then you will go ahead to clean and wash your mortar and pestle. Get it ready for pounding. As soon as the fufu is done boiling for 5 to 6 minutes, then you will go ahead to scoop with your spoon and you will start pounding it.
So here is the first pounding of the fufu. The first pounding of the fufu.
So guys, you are expected to pound your fufu like twice before it is well done, okay? So after the first pounding of the fufu, you will still go ahead and repeat the same process of molding it into a circular form and sending it back to the pot and allow it to boil for like 8 minutes before you start pounding the second one.
So this is the second phase of the fufu cooking. You will make a ball of fufu, then put it inside the water, and that is what we are doing right now. As you can see, CEO, that's what she's doing.
We are reporting from the
village in Hite Oboma local government area. Umudike Abueke precisely.
You know you love fufu. Submit your plate for some portion.
Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
So guys, this is the second stage of the cooking. Remember I said that you will cook or boil the fufu 2 times and you are also going to pound it 2 times before it is well done, okay? So guys, this is exactly what it looks like when it is properly done and properly pounded very well if you are an African woman, okay? make sure you pound it so well so that you're not going to have seed inside the fufu. So guys, this is another stage. We just moved into the packaging stage. Okay, this nylon, I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts so that we're going to use it and package the fufu very well so that it will look attractive and palliative for customers, or if you want to eat it, you're going to package it very well so that it will look good. Okay,
they are wrapping the fufu. Look at the CEO, Be Joy Special herself.
Hey guys, we are live and direct in the village. As you can see, I'm trying to arrange the nylon for the Akpu. Here is my mom, my super loving mama. Want to say hi to the guys? Hi guys.
They are wrapping the loy.
Subscribe.
So if you are interested, you book how much you need.
Hey, mommy, we're gonna swag.
Oh, if you need it in a larger quantity,
You can contact us.
Be Joy, let her talk. Gotcha.
Tu focus on my frère to chez moi today. To chez toi na live. Que modre do tiga.
it's very cheap and very palatable. For your Akpu soup, ogomseries soup, soup.
so guys, you can see the molding process, the way the fufu is being molded before we wrap it. Okay, so this is the process. You must make use of stainless plate. I don't know if you can actually use any other type of plate, but when you use stainless plate, it will give you the shape and the mold you want. Okay,
Division of fufu from us, fresh and is yummy.
so guys, if you have really watched this video to this point, I really do appreciate you for watching. Okay, do not forget to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up. Of course, a super chat and a super thanks just to support what we are doing. Okay, you can see we are putting the fufu inside the cooler just to make sure it remains hot and warm. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you for your support and for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.